Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tuts. And in this video I am gonna share with you how you can download and install Google Chat, previously its name Hangout, on your device. Okay, so we need to go Play Store, and if you are a App Store iPhone user, then you will go to App Store. So in Play Store and App Store, Google Chat or Google Hangout is available, so you can download it. So I'm using Android phone, so I'm just gonna click here Google Chat. Okay, they suggested me, and then wait a second please. So when you search Google Chat, then you can see the Google Chat. This is the app. Okay, I already download this app, so you just simply click install. If you don't download this, and when you search Google Chat, then you will see the install button. So just simply click on install button, then it will be downloaded on your device. Okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching this video.